All right, I'm gonna show you how to clean the Ninja NeverClog Again juicer. I have this right here. I just finished using it. I have a bunch of waste right here. This is celery stalks in here as well as some ginger stalks. So and this is the collection cup. See, I made quite a mess. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna first close the anti-drip lever, unplug the juicer, make sure it's off. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to press on this release button right here. And this release button allows me to twist the juicer, this part right here, and pull this off right here. If there's any waste right here, you wanna wipe that up with a cloth. I have a juice down here. I'm just gonna simply disassemble this. So I'm gonna twist that, it comes apart. So I have this right here. And then I have the filter right here. Just pull that apart. You see that? I'm going to be washing that. And then take this part right here. And I'm going to take this sink and wash this up. And then I'm also going to toss this away. So let me toss this away, and then I'll go to the sink and I'll show you me cleaning the Ninja NeverClog Again juicer. So now I'm going to clean the parts of the Ninja NeverClog juicer, and a lot of the parts you can simply rinse off and it gets rid of a lot of the plant matter. But I spray it with soap right here. I'm using Dawn Platinum Power Wash. And I'm just going to rinse out the debris, and then I use this and I just spray it, let it soak for a second. See, I'm rinsing out the inside to get some of the plant matter off. Celery and ginger right here. And I'm just gonna spray it right here. Just let the Dawn Power Wash get to use. You could use just regular Dawn or detergent, but I have this, and so. Now one of the difficult parts is the filter right here. So the filter, you get pieces clogged in there. So you wanna rinse that. Then I'm going to spray it and soak. Get that in there. And so what I'll do is I'll take this brush right here, and especially for the filter, you can see this. I'm just going to go ahead. And the reason why I'm using this scrubbing brush is because some of the fibrous matter from the celery or ginger get caught up in the filter on this. And you want to check, you can see there's still some in here, but you want to rinse all of that out. All right, let's get all of that in there. Just do that. Make sure you rinse it well. Put this to the side. I'll do a method that I like doing when I'm washing the dishes is go ahead and rinse this out. Sit this here, and I'll put this to the side. And so like something like this, it is rinsing, I'll just pop that in there and allow it to fully rinse. And then this right here, rinse that out. Just take the brush, go all through that. Use this if you want. Take this. Make sure you get this anti-drip lever. Scrub. And then the collection cup for the juice. Make sure you get that all through clear and clean. Then just go ahead and rinse. Go ahead, put this in there. Get that rinsed right there. And then all the parts you're just going to keep on rinsing with warm water the soap. Let me get that through right here. Make sure it's thoroughly rinsed to make sure all of the soap is out. All right, so you have that. Let this dry, and we're gonna go clean the base and then reassemble the Ninja NeverClog Juicer. All right, so cleaning up the juicer, you wanna first wipe it down, have something, a dry cloth, a paper towel, you can have a dry towel, and just wipe it. Then, right here, you see this right here, I'm wiping up all of the debris. Sometimes it can get messy. So wipe it off like this, then toss that. Then I'll take a damp cloth, not a damp cloth, but a damp cloth, spray it with a pump of the Dawn Platinum Plus Power Wash, or you could just use regular, and just wipe it down with one side on the soapy side, and then come around and with the non-soapy side, wipe up the soap, clean up the area, and then do a once over or twice over with a dry just to complete the process. I'm gonna actually go ahead and get the parts dried off and put it together just for the giggles. So now I'm gonna put it all together, but I'm gonna dry off different parts. Dry off everything. So what I'm using is, you could use just a regular cloth, but I'm choosing to use paper towels. Some people say that it's not good for the environment, but I'm saying, what about the workers? There's always a good side, bad side to everything. Just threw that in to justify me using the paper towels. That's what ego will do. Gonna go ahead and dry up all these parts. Get inside her. Twist it around. And right here, get that. Now I'm gonna reassemble the Ninja NeverClog Juicer. Gonna first get this part through, and then slide in the filter. Put on this part. Click it into place like that. Put that right there. Didn't clean the plunger. We'll just wipe it down. Boosie. Close it. Collection cup. Voila. Voila. And that is how you clean a Ninja NeverClog Juicer. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.